Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I'm so glad you're joining me today. And you know what this means. It's Happy Mail Day. I went to my post office box and picked up this stack of Happy Mail. Well, actually, two of them from Amazon came to my house. I opened them because I order stuff from Amazon all the time, and I realized they were wishes from Creativity Swap's Happy Mail and Friendship, so I set them aside and I'll open them in this video. So let's go ahead and get started opening all of this Happy Mail. I have my sharp scissors and my letter opener. So I think I'll start with the two things that I already opened because I kind of cheated. This first one is from, there's a note in here. This is from Lisa in the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship. And this was on my Amazon wish list, the solid rose gold matte stack. And it is beautiful. It has all of these beautiful rose gold papers in it. Look at that one with the holographic. That is so pretty. And that big chunky glitter gold. And this one, it doesn't show on the camera, but it has a really pretty sheen. So this is a 6x6 pad, and it has 6 different designs in it, and 18 sheets, so there's 3 of each. Very, very nice. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love that. And then my next one that came to my house, it is awesome. I'm so excited. This one is also from Lisa. And this is a Peacock metal cutting die. In one of my last videos, Janet had sent me some cut out peacocks, and I said I didn't have a peacock die. So I went on Amazon and I found it and stuck it on my wish list, and I am so excited to have that. That is so fun. Thank you so much, Lisa. I'm really excited for that. And then we'll go ahead and open the ones that I have no idea what they are. And this one is from Gwen. And I believe all of these, they may all be from the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship. We have, this is the Spring and Easter Washi Wednesday. So we had a Spring and Easter washi swap, and what we do with the washi tape is we wrap it around like a playing card or something, so we can easily pull it off and the whole thing is usable. Those are really cute. And then there are these, so cute. I like those eggs. Thank you so much, Gwen. I really like this washi tape. I don't have any of those, so these are all new to me. That's awesome. And this is from Shauna. I think, let me double check. I went by memory. Yes. Get this a little trim. And this is used Christmas cards and washi samples. And this must be from one of my wishes, because I usually have those on my wish lists. And this is the washi tape. Very cool. Those are really neat. I don't have anything like those. And there are some envelopes, which is awesome. And we have some Christmas cards to recycle. That's really pretty. And this very sparkly snowman, I really like him. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And this was one of my wishes. Anything Peacock. And I think these are wishes from September. I think, because it says 9/15. I wonder if this is the package that got lost in the mail in September. I know I had one from Shauna that had gotten lost in the mail. She had mailed it, but it never ever came to me back from September. Look at these beautiful Peacock envelopes. So cool. I love them. Thank you so much, Shauna. I really appreciate these. Amazon, so I don't know who it's from. I don't know why I was looking up the return address. And this is from, here is my surprise. We had a surprise tag. And this is from Shannon in the group. Oh, I had this on my wish list, my Amazon wish list. I have the white ones from, I want to say BB Craft. And I saw these on Amazon with the different colors, and I thought they were so pretty for fall, for spring, and then even summer because of the orange and the yellow. And this is just ribbon or trim. I love that. Thank you so much. This is what it is. So pretty. I love it. These, I'm excited to use this. It will get put to good use for sure. That's a good surprise. You made my day. All right, and then here's something else from Amazon. And they crumpled this up inside. This is the rainbow tag from Michael. Of course, I love everything rainbow. And I had to join in the rainbow tag. Oh, look, it's more of these flowers, but these are different colors. I love it. I put every color I could find on my wish list. And look at this. It looks like they just threw this in there and crumpled up your notes. I think it's so funny. Anyway, I have to laugh at the condition this one is in, but obviously it's not hurt. And this is this color, these rainbow colors. Like, maybe it was a disgruntled Amazon employee that put this together. That is so funny. And this is like, this one, I think this is hilarious. This one is wrapped around that piece of cardboard so nicely, and this one is just jumbled in there. I think it's funny. I have to laugh. Okay. And thank you. I do appreciate it very much, Michael, and I love these. I will put them to good use. I have to laugh at the crumpliness of the notes that are in there. Okay. And my last package of the day is this big one from Amazon. So I had a happy Amazon worker and a disgruntled Amazon worker pack those two things. They're probably like, oh, that stupid Maria again. She keeps ordering. I'm tired of filling in things with her name on them. And this one is from Anne. She says, oh, this looks like sparkly band meditative fun. I have enjoyed watching you do diamond painting and hope you have a blast with this. It's Peacock, so how could I resist getting it for you? And this is from my dear friend Anne. She's also in the group, and I have been friends with Anne long before the group. We were friends back in Jamboree days, we used to sell Jamberry together. That's how we met. And now she has joined the group and is getting into crafting. And I hope she's having a blast. And this is so pretty. I think this was one of the recent things I picked and put on my wish list. I try to keep my wish list with things under $10 and just things that maybe I wouldn't buy for myself, or that I can use on the channel and have fun with. And of course, peacocks. So that is beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to really, really enjoy making this one. And here are all the drills. And they look like they're different sizes. Oh, and there's different pieces in here. This is a little different than a regular diamond painting. I have to open this up because there's some bigger ones. Let's see, we have these gems. They probably go in the centers. That's what it has to be. And these are a little different gems than in the other ones. If you notice, the backs are silver. Mostly the backs are the same color. And these here are a little bit bigger. These are beautiful. They're more like bling, like rhinestones, than just the solid plastic in a diamond painting. These have a lot more shimmer. I'm excited to do this. I had no idea it was like that when I picked it out, but I am pleasantly surprised. I mean, look at, I don't know if you can see, they're more like a clear glass rather than a solid piece, solid plastic. And then we have these big, beautiful pieces that go here. And usually with diamond paintings, they give you some extras. So I may have an extra one of these, which would be awesome because I could use it on a card or something. So anyway, there is that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Anne. I'm really going to enjoy doing this. This might be my next big one when I'm done with, I think I have two kind of started. I'm not sure how that happened. And then the normal toolkit that they give you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button. You'll be able to see some of these things being put to good use. And then also the Facebook group where we do all of this wonderful swapping and post our wish lists and everything. That is over, that is called Creativity, Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. It is not my group. I'm just a member there. So just apply for membership. Let them know I sent you, please. And there are a couple little rules you have to follow. You do send them a little doodad in the mail, like a card or just something, just to show that you are, willing to participate. It's just a couple of membership requirements, nothing hard at all. And I also have my own Facebook group. It's Create with Crafty Rhea. The ladies there are awesome. It is a wonderful family. And I'd love for you to head on over there and just share your creations with us and enjoy the camaraderie and the fun and helpful hints and tips that we give each other. And we praise each other's work. It's a really, really great group. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.